Welcome back to Campbell Kitchen, everybody. Today we're making malt ice cream. What is malt ice cream? Nobody knows, nobody cares. All people care about is that it's so delicious, especially if you put it in ice cream. Normally it's put in milkshakes, but it's in ice cream today. I'm going to show you this awesome recipe. You're not going to want to miss it. Stick around.
Okay, so let's start it up. We have 2 cups of milk, a cup of cream. I have malted milk mix, which I'm going to need about 3/4 of a cup, 7 yolks, half a cup of sugar. So add the milk to a sauce pot, bring it up to a low simmer. In the meantime, add the sugar to the yolks, whip until it's a ribbon. So just heat the milk up till it's about 160. That brings the sweetness out of the milk. Once it's to 160, which only takes a couple minutes, should just be a little warm to the touch, we're going to mix that milk with the sugar and the egg yolks. We're going to give it a nice little stir, and then we're going to strain it right back into the pot. So that's just tempering the egg yolks a little bit, gets everything nice and warm and mixed together. And then we're going to heat that up until it forms a nice custard. Heat the milk, the egg yolks, and the sugar until it's about 185 degrees over low heat. It's going to get really thick. Once it's there, immediately add your cold, heavy cream and 3/4 of a cup of malt powder. That's going to stop the eggs from cooking and scrambling. So that will stop the cooking process instantly once it's nice and thick and coats a spoon. So add those ingredients, give it a nice little stir, and then we're going to just strain it. So it should be nice and thick. And now it's very important to cool that down until it's very cold. If you put that warm into your ice cream machine, it's going to not form great ice cream. But first, give it a nice little strain, cover it with plastic, let it cool overnight, or put it in an ice bath. Once it's cool, we're going to churn it. Now I have like the cheapest ice cream machine imaginable. It's this Cuisinart thing. It was like $70 online. I don't recommend it, but it does make ice cream. I was just experimenting. So I froze my base, and now my base of the ice cream machine, that is. Now I'm going to add my ice cream base into that frozen cylinder, and I'm going to spin it until it gets nice and thick. So that's going to take about 20 to 30 minutes. And as you can see, that custard is nice and thick. It's very yellow from the yolks, and that malt mix is in there, completely nice and smooth. There's no lumps or anything like that. So just give it a nice churn. And it's very simple at this point. Once it gets nice and thick and frozen, just like that, you're going to want to put it in a container, put it in your freezer so it firms up a little bit, and then you're ready to go. And you have malt ice cream. It's super easy. A lot of people make ice cream with malt into shakes. Just make it into soft serve ice cream like that. It's delicious. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day.